Hi, my name is Almira and today I'll show you how to make a perfect scrunchie. You will need is fabric, elastic, safety pin, scissors, ruler and truffle fabric. First, cut out a rectangle with a size 60 cm by 10 cm. Then pin down the two ends together with the right sides together and sew. Then fold the sides together toward the middle. Fold the two outsides together over top the sew. Sew, pulling the middle part when needed. Leave a gap for elastic. Then turn tip inside out. Braid elastic row with the safety pin. And sew ends together. And last process, sew a tiny stitches to close the gap. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.